Prime Minister cannot just shut down Facebook and TikTok just because of his short-term convenience. I think the Prime Minister's excuse to shut down social media, Facebook or TikTok, just because Miss PNG was abused on Facebook is a totally lame excuse by our Prime Minister. Shame on you. I mean, no true excuse for you. You know, the probably true excuse for you is you let the kind man some manapanga Samson Kumati or man are hold him accountable or some man marries expose him or something nungu do gaman. You let the Islam na ila why? This is share hold him in on blow you hold him forever. Narla Prime Minister comes over and Narla Prime Minister say but come behind by feeling saying something. If you don't want it, retire and enjoy on the other side so people don't talk about you anymore on social media like Honorable Peter only. And now you look Facebook page go gaman say like Prime Minister and NEC Facebook page by look one plus something or media release or one plus talk to Prime Minister walk him or gaman go you walk him. Papua New Guinea's commentary is 100% negative. 100% negative. That is one of the reasons why, I mean, main reason why you like shutting down Facebook and Gaman to them or Miss PNG or something. No, can Gaman was on plus clear. If you want praises in the world, God will give it to you. Papua New Guinea, I'm online no praise him on man. Papua New Guinea, by helping you time you walk him good. When you are honest, when you are telling the truth, when you are delivering to the people, Papua New Guinea will give you the praise that you wanted in the world. Prime Minister, suppose you lose thinking, time you face the truth come up. Prime Minister of 2019, when you announce your policy vision of take back PNG and for you to make Papua New Guinea the richest black Christian nation in the world, no child will be left behind. You know, youths, if you find job, come to me. You know, short-term pain for long-term gain. You went on to say by 2025 now, import of rice by stove, Papua New Guinea will be a food bowl of the Asia. You went on to curse him corruption of those who do corruptions. Now, you know, people were cheering and they thought you were a heaven sent angels and Peter O'Neill was a Lucifer cast out of the heavens. They praised you. Oh, praise me long one. You think him this too? Because you said you talked about something like Papua New Guinea like it. And you went on to say, you know, your appointment of your cabinet will be based on experience and performance. You went on to say your appointment of the managing director, CEO, secretary, or department heads will be based on qualifications, merit, performance basis. None of those that you talk can come up. It has also become sweet promises, bullshits. Let me not come up now. That's why the Papua New Guinea will go attacking you stuff. What do you game and stuff? You man look game and stuff. They are going to the extreme and say you maswaraman. Mibla tarimani no maswaraman. Mibla sa action in man, but you also make him na taribara tarik sim is the name lugu stuff. Masanda salim stuff. So this is a passing law. Suppose you like him praise, no can gaman. Some you talk about something where you talk to review him, now fulfill him, now make him all this something, then they'll give you the praise. Also praise him on man. So you barab him so like I said earlier, you cannot shut down Facebook and TikTok because of short convenience. Today is you, tomorrow will be another Prime Minister who claims to be saints on the other side. All of us out you, now talk against him, you now stop here. In the likes of James Numan, Honorable James Numan, in the likes of Honorable Honorable Allenberg, in the likes of Honorable James Donald, in the likes of Honorable Kergakura, in the likes of Honorable Rainbow Fighter who wanted to be the Prime Minister, and any other leaders who are claiming to be saints and holy and all over are taking you stuff. Tomorrow it will be their turn. And this is a time for cancel. Let them Facebook stuff. All by feeling what you're feeling now. All by feeling. Now you're feeling stuff. Tomorrow, all feeling. So Facebook and social media will be here to hold them accountable. Suppose only come up holy, tomorrow will come up, otherwise we will tell them the same thing. Or for example, Anaponga is talking here holy because I'm not in the parliament, I'm not in the house of the eagles. One day I might walk into the house of the eagles. I'm talking holy here, and the social media is here. Facebook will talk to me, Anaponga will walk in and pull up the YouTube stuff. This will hold me accountable to be the person, to judge the person I am or I have changed. And by start. It's not only for Prime Minister, you must understand, you also. Or leaders who said, but come after you by feeling what you're feeling now. So let them social media, na Facebook, na TikTok, and stop was him. Because this like, I mean, good Latino. You know, those who are claiming to be holy, now so like Kim Siab, the Prime Minister, all by feeling this tomorrow. All by feeling this tomorrow. So you may not need to chat in Facebook or social media for that because of our short continents. But the best thing the Prime Minister needs to do now is possibly or direct him or advise him, Nikta. Now ICT lodge, track him down on fake accounts. The problem is the fake accounts and not the social media. The problem is the fake accounts. If Nikta and ICT can track down and track him down fake accounts, you have a cybercrime law and stuff. If you want to shut the Facebook and go back to the parliament and sponsor to revoke the Cybercrime Act. Why do you want to go on and shut him down Facebook just because, you know, you don't feel comfortable? People are not praising you. People are attacking you. No, it's just because you are not delivering. Anyway, Prime Minister, Facebook and TikTok and by staff, so holding leaders one kind of semi accountable into the features. So let them stop, let them stop us. All man now come up with some holy now TikTok stop tomorrow by all you feeling. They will feel what you are feeling now. So let them social media stop now, you know. Just tell Nikta and ICT to shut down the fake accounts. So all money are taking in nothing on Facebook with face identity. And you can be hearing all those cybercrime law and stuff. Kind minus people who are on genuine identity or some Alfred and the Panga. Samson Kumati must stop the Facebook now, you know. We enjoy the social media platforms now, you stop. Prime Minister, I'm straight, let them Facebook now, TikTok stuff now. And behind all man leader come backside you, all by feeling. You know, you tomorrow Narla or Holy Stuff now, to stop here, you sit down upside now. Lapos and Peter on it now by sit down stuff. Suppose you've been working good now, probably in the middle, judging you correctly too. Bien all by the Lumosamo, Peter O'Neill now was before Dugumosem, Peter O'Neill was cast out of the heavens as a Lucifer, and you were the seventh angels to the earth. Now, suppose you've been working public in the elected leader, now look him and assassin performance, same something probably. All by Lumosamo, Prime Minister was, you know, this and that, and all the praise him again, and Peter O'Neill is enjoying this on this other side now. So you will go through the same parts of Prime Minister. My appeal to you now is let me remind you, not going to chat him down Facebook. Now you feel him start tomorrow, Narla leader come backside you by your feelings. This is most me, the conclusion from me to was Papua New Guinea one day by only finding good leader or social media. Why? Because all man had him this long go, look this long go now. All look all let's go to that part where man married by let's not criticize him all. And we all come up with some true leader now. Social media to all by identifying good leader. You know some social media by voting on, but just because of social media, because of passing no good or working by exposing go to public na kind of thing. And eventually Papua New Guinea will find a good leader just because of the presence of social media. So Prime Minister, listen to now I'm you, tomorrow by Narla. So you may listen to social media now, you may to go you had it to Nasta. You working good land by pressing me tomorrow. Sometimes something you talk to blame, you know, walk him now, or walk bara muta, people of bara you stuff. You walk him by people of awesome, you and this la. You know? Thinking this la na. You mean Mr. Thank you, Prime Minister. Am I right?